Hello there and happy holidays. I'm Bob Pickering, Emergency Management Technician. I'll be presenting this edition of the Flagler Weather Update from here at the Emergency Operations Center. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Take a look what's going on as we wind up the week here. Do have a weak front that is stalling out over Florida. This front's going to come back north and bring some warm air with it as we go into the weekend. However, as the weekend evolves, we're going to see a storm system taking shape over Kentucky, and this will bring a round of unsettled weather towards the northeast, but swing this cold front right here through Flagler County as we get into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, cooling things down just a little bit, but no significant cold outbreaks are seen as we go into next week. So an overview what to expect over the next several days. It'll be mild with foggy mornings likely the next several days through Saturday. So if you're going to be doing any early morning travel, just beware of that fog. Chance of showers on Christmas Eve, most likely Christmas Eve night, and it'll be cooler during that short period of time right after Christmas. Christmas Day and Tuesday look to be a little bit cooler than it has been as of late. So let's go ahead and take a look at some better details now of our upcoming weather. Thursday through Saturday, sunny spells and cloud during the day, but watch out from fog in the mornings. High temperatures getting up into the 70s, low temperatures in the 50s at night. Might be a little bit cooler on Friday. Now as we get into the middle of the weekend and Christmas Eve, maybe a chance of the odd shower or two, especially Christmas Eve night. Santa Claus might have to be dodging a few raindrops as he visits Flagler County, but Santa will also be enjoying the mild weather. High temperatures getting up into the upper 70s near 80 degrees on Christmas Eve, and lows generally around 60 degrees on Christmas Eve night. Again, the best chances of any showers will be during the nighttime hours, so if you've got any outdoor activities, should be okay for the most part. Now, Christmas Day, things cool down just a little bit, but nothing really significant. Highs in the mid-60s with patchy cloud, maybe a few morning showers, and lows generally right near 50 degrees on Christmas night. And we get into Boxing Day now, seasonable and settled with patchy cloud, highs in the mid-60s, lows generally in the mid-50s. And looking at the outlook for the remainder of the week, settled with a warming trend, highs getting into the 70s, lows generally in the 50s. If you're heading for the beaches, surf has been really low, 1 to 2 feet. Surf temperature chilly, 64 degrees, low risk of rip currents, but there's a moderate UV index out there, so make sure you're wearing sun protection if you can be out there for any length of time. Now, if you're going to be traveling by car, plane, or train over the holiday, here's just a couple key points that you want to be aware of. There's potential for travel disruption in this region here due to heavy rainfall that's expected just before Christmas, and then there's potential for some very heavy snowfall in the Northeast, particularly New England, as we get towards Christmas Day. So if you're going to be traveling, make sure you check ahead, especially if you're traveling to the Northeast through the holiday. Now, folks, we want to wish everyone out there a joyous holiday season here at Flagler County Emergency Services. On behalf of everyone in Flagler County government, Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everyone out there. Stay updated, folks. Weather is always changing. FlaglerCounty.org is your go-to website for all kinds of cool weather information. There's a weather tab. Just click on it. It says webcams and weather. They'll get you to the latest weather forecast from the National Weather Service. You can sign up for Code Red, too. That is a valuable way to get warnings. Make sure you do that as severe weather season lasts all year here in Florida. And also your weather radio is another great resource, too. You can click on that to get your weather forecast at any time. Also a great way to get warnings. Now, if you have Spectrum, you can tune to channel 492 to watch this program. Or if you're on the internet, you can go to YouTube and just search for Flagler County. Not only can you see this program, but other fine Flagler County programs. That's going to wrap it up from the Emergency Operations Center. Have a wonderful day.